Well, Mom's new refrigerator just got delivered. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. Looks like it's got enough capacity. Smaller than the old one, but a heck of a lot nicer. And got plenty of room for stuff in the doors. And let's check out the freezer compartment. Oh, got nice sliding out drawers for the crispers, shelves for smaller items, a nice big bin. Let's see. Yeah, it's Fisher Paykel. Looks like they did a nice job. So, are you happy with your new refrigerator?
Oh boy. When can we move in?
A guy said it'd take about 6 or 8 hours for it to be completely chilled down. So later this evening we'll start moving stuff in from the other old refrigerator.
Oh, goody, goody.
Anyway, is it everything you hoped for?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Yep. Even the cat's impressed. Are you impressed? Well, impressed for a cat, I suppose. Anyway, later on we'll move in and give it the old college try and see how it goes. I think it'll work.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, you bought it. It'll work.
Oh, yeah. Well, happy you enjoyed it. Anyway, we'll see how it goes.